A contagious disease warning has been issued for Cook Isle. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department and the Centers Disease Control and Prevention. An unknown infectious disease was spotted throughout the city of Chicago. This disease posed no threat to humans, but it may change for a while. However, hospitals are filling with patients, and it is assumed that this virus is very infectious. Symptoms of this virus were discovered by the CDC. Symptoms includes nausea, headache, vomiting, extreme headache, violent behavior, coughing out blood, slurred speech, homicide rage, muscle fatigue, and runny nose. If you or your loved ones is infected, quarantine immediately as the hospital is full of patients, and it will not accept more patients. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for Chicago, Illinois. Riots are occurring in downtown Chicago. The cause behind all of this, which is the virus that was reported an hour ago. This virus was given a name from the CDC. The virus name is Homicide virus, also known as H-25 virus. This virus is very contagious and should be avoided. All residents in the city of Chicago and the surrounding areas are strongly advised to remain indoors. If the infected breaks into your home, use any firearm to defend yourself. Do not approach the infected people as they will attack you on sight. The National Guard will try to deal with the riots. Do not participate in the riots. You'll be arrested with no questions. Again, this virus is very infectious and poses a threat towards humans. Please stay tuned for more information on this situation.
Inside the book that I wrote, all of the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the sliver in the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the CDC and the United States government. The virus, now known as H-25 virus, has spread into other states. These states include Wisconsin, Indiana, Michigan, Kentucky, Missouri, Iowa, Minnesota, and Arkansas. This virus is airborne and could spread to others fast. The quarantine is put in place for infected states. Anybody in the infected states is strongly advised to quarantine immediately and not go outside for any reason. According to the authorities, once the person is infected with H-25 virus, the person experiences major symptoms. Then, the person will turn into homicide rage and act violently toward others. The CDC is unsure if the cure for this virus is possible, as the virus is very contagious and incurable. If you receive this message in the infected state, that means that you're in the infected area and must seek quarantine immediately. If one of your loved ones gets infected, leave them immediately. They might attack you at a moment. Do not delay and quarantine immediately. Stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.
You can't stop it now.
The following is an administrative message. Since an hour ago, another day ago, a virus named H-25 virus has spread across the North American continent, and as well as Alaska, Hawaii, Cuba, Puerto Rico, and Jamaica. The United Nations agree that the United Nations will cut off supplies from the North American continent due to the ongoing virus situation, which the virus was originated in the city of Chicago, Illinois. Everybody hearing this message is being advised to seek shelter, and every place in North American continent is under lockdown until the situation is resolved. This message will repeat soon.